Shit. Fuck you. Shit. Trying to hold my fucking coffee in. Hey, cuz, that shit be a dog fight trying to hold your motherfucking cough, bro. Oh my god. Oh shit. Cuz, trying to hold a coffee ain't gotta be the funniest shit ever, cuz. That shit funny, but it's not funny. Cause you done started holding your coffee in, that means you done coughed enough to the point where the bitch is either embarrassing or the bitch hurt. And right now, I'm at the point where the bitch hurt. I'm trying to hold my coffee in. I sound fucking insane. This shit is horrible. Oh, I'm fucked up.